Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I'm coming out of my comfort zone by buying this new model from my friend in Divisoria, Mr. Hobbywang, and I had a chance to meet him yesterday and take some selfie with him after I bought this Daban model from his store. And this is the Daban Fighter AGE-2 double bullet. So this is the bootleg copy for the Gundam AGE-2 double bullet, and I just like to try the quality of this kit. That's why I bought this, even though I have some cash to buy the Bandai quality or the Bandai product. I just tried to buy this because I saw this to his store, Mr. Wang there, and yeah, I was convinced to buy this because I built a Daban model before 6 months ago, the Daban wing or the Gundam wing endless waltz mecha, full mecha something. So I bought it to Hobbywang also, that the band model, and I was satisfied in building that. So let's try this the Daban AGE-2 or the AGE-2 fighter AGE-2 double bullet, or Chinese, to avoid plagiarism, they changed the name into somehow unique for them. Okay, so let's try this kit out and let's see what's inside. Fighter AGE-2. So the name here is Fighter AGE-2 double bullet, and it says here Federation Forces mobile suit, and instead of Gundam, using the word Gundam, they just replace it into fighter to avoid being sued, but still they are suable because they copy directly the box art from the Bandai Gundam AGE-2 normal. Anyway, you can see here it has the code of 6627. So this is how Daban works. They just put the code for their models, but unfortunately, this box, instead of being gray, a pure gray with the code number, they still has the guts to put the box art of the original Bandai AGE-2 double bullet. So there's this AGE-2 here and some Chinese text there, and of course the model, the band model. So on the side of the box, we can see here the transformation sequence of this beautiful mobile suit, because this is a transforming kit. So to from this plain mode into the mobile suit mode. Okay. There we can see some inner frames also in the legs, and some gimmicks there with the beam weapons. And in the other side of the box, we can see some picture of the transformation mode. I find the transformation mode into this Wave Rider mode stupid. I don't like the design of it's just like a human being compressed together or something like that. I much like the appearance of the AGE-2 normal, because there's this gun barrel in front, which for me it looks more decent than this. This looks crappy for me, so I will not do this transformation if I finish the model kit. But the mobile suit mode, for me, it looks nice. It's simple, and compared to the AGE-2 normal, this looks more simple and much like this appearance. Okay, in the back of the box, we can see here the full picture of the front view of this Fighter AGE-2 double bullet. Okay, so the box content here, we can see the instruction manual, and this instruction manual, obviously, this is the copy of the original Bandai Gundam AGE-2 double bullet. So I had the chance to build the Bandai AGE-1 normal and the Bandai AGE-2 Dark Hound, and they have the same appearance on the instruction manual. So this is really a copy of that manual. So there we can see even the Japanese text here. These are all Japanese, yes, but they replace it with Fighter AGE-2. Okay, so this is really the exact manual from the Bandai one. Okay, so these are all black and white print, and here we can see the transformation sequence that in the future I won't do that transformation because I don't like the appearance of the transformed kit. Okay, so let's go to the packaging. So there we got this very cheap Chinese looking plastic here, and yeah, the wrappings, and there are these red runners. We got some polycaps. We got tons of polycaps here. We got multicolored packages here. We got yellow one and this clear green one, white one, and blue one. And we got white runners here. And unfortunately, there's this dislodge piece there. Then we got this gray runners for the inner parts, and we got this red runners there for some small detailing parts. And we got this gray parts here for the inner frames. And here we got the gray parts again for the inner frame and beam saber effect parts, but unfortunately the beam saber effect parts is crappy and it's bent already due to the bad packaging of this model. And there we got this beam, what the fuck, it's already bent. The beam parts here are bent already, which is very crappy and shit. Anyway, this is the band. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And we got here runner I. And what I noticed with the plastic is most of the plastic here, or the parts, are bent, which is not nice, maybe due to the bad packaging and at the same time the poor plastic quality. So we got this runner eye here also for the white parts. We got two runner eyes. Then for the gray parts, we got this runner L here for the guns. So we got guns here. And another runner L, so we got two sets of runner L. Then for this gray runner here, we got runner G for the inner frame parts and another runner G. So we got two of this runner G. Then we got this polycap parts here, and there we got polycap parts. And I just wonder why these polycaps are detached from each other. Then we got this white parts here, runner M, and another runner M. So we got two sets of runner M. Then we got blue parts here for runner A. So these are blue parts. We got small parts here. I don't know what is this parts here. So This is a different, I don't know, there's no identification for this runner. Then we got white runner here for runner E. That unfortunately these sprues here are bent, and this might affect the quality of the plastic parts. And we got another pilot figure here. I don't know who this shit is, but I will throw this anyway. Then we got this gray parts for the inner frame, another gray parts for the inner frame. Then we got this articulators, or the hands manipulators. Yep. But I will not use this crap because I will replace these hands into a Dalin hands. Then we got this clear parts for the head, and this one for the chest here. We got yellow parts, runner C. And yep, by the way, these clear parts here, the clear green is runner D. And we got this crappy beam saber effect parts that is so much bent, which is not nice, because see, the beam saber is really bent. And this is what I don't like here. The pink parts here for the beam of the double bullet is really bent. Even this one is bent, see? So the remedy now, I will detach this from the runner, because it might increase the bend or the bending process if it will remain further from the runner. See, the runner is very bad, which affect the straightness of this beam effect parts here. And unfortunately, there's this scratch marks on the beam effect parts. So right now I will detach this from the runners. Okay, I will now detach this pieces here to avoid the further bending. So see, it's already bent. So what I will do, I will hit this with the blower, and I will try to make this straight as much as I can later on. But if not, sorry, I might throw this shit out if not being repaired. Okay. And finally, the red parts here, we got so many loose parts here, very bad. So there we got this runner H, 2 runner H for the red parts, and we got this it's like the fin funnel parts, something like that. And there we got another red part here, runner B, for some armor pieces here. Okay. Then finally, we got the stickers. We got some set of foil stickers, I think, and decals, which is, for me, it's not nice. So these are the stickers. Yeah, this is not dry transfer or water slide. These are stickers. And what else we got here? We got this foil stickers here, and this foil sticker again for the chest, I think. So this is for the eyes, and this for the chest. And we got this I think this one is a dry transfer. Yep, we got dry transfer decal here. So I don't have any high expectation with the kit. So I just tried to buy this because I was meeting with this friend of mine, Hobbywang, when I went to Divisoria, and just as a courtesy, as I go into his shop, or I went to his shop, I just buy one kit as a tribute for him. Okay, So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye. God bless, take care. Thank you for watching this unboxing review of this Daban Fighter AGE-2 double bullet. Thank you.